A for apple. APPLE apple. Apple माने सेब. B for ball. BALL ball. Ball माने गेंद. C for cat. CAT मीन्स बिल्ली. D for dog. DOG dog मीन्स कुत्ता. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant मीन्स हाथी. F for fish. FISH fish माने मछली. G for grapes. GRAPES grapes माने अंगूर. H for horse. HORSE horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. cream ice cream means cream. J for joker. जोकर में जोकर. K for kite. kite means पतंग. L for lion. lion माने शेर. M for mango. mango माने आम. N for nest. nest means घोंसला. O for orange. owl means उल्लू. P for parrot. PARROT parrot means तोता. Q for queen. QUEEN means रानी. R for rabbit. RABBIT rabbit माने खरगोश. S for sun. sun means सूरज. T for tiger. tiger means चीता. U for umbrella. umbrella means छाता. V for van. van means गाड़ी. W for watch. watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Y for yummy. Z for